Hello friends, welcome back again to Wellness Gossips with Sam and Limmy. So we are going to present one more topic to you this week. So we have come up with a very innovative topic today because that in India we start festive season from September, October, November, December. I think 3 to 4 months will be a festive season in different religions, right? And another thing which is followed in commonly in most of the religion is fasting, right? So we have in all the religions, be it could be Hindu, Muslim, or any other Christianity or any other religion. Actually, everybody have this trend of fasting. So we thought of discussing about how to fast in a proper way or maybe in an effective way. So most of them know about eating and drinking, but we are going to share some more things which you have to follow while fasting. So I would leave to Limi to start with.
Of course, more effective way and what normally we follow also, so that's what we are able to convey this to you, right?
Correct. And it is always our thinking and it is our perception. It's not that you have to follow or what you're doing is wrong. Just sharing our thoughts and our belief in it. Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with the eating and drinking itself, because fasting, whenever we hear about the word fasting, the first thing comes into that we have to eat less or eat certain foods, skip certain food, and drinking good fluid and all. So basically, why we are doing fast, it's the main reason is to cleanse our body.
Correct.
To detox our body, right? So that's why we don't eat for some time, or we eat only fruits, only vegetables, or only the healthy
Dry
food.
fruits, yeah.
Healthy food, right? And normally coming out of the pleasure, maybe, right? So
Correct.
you'll not go for the junk food, you'll not go for much of unhealthy food, you always eat healthy food. So that is one thing which you have to follow, is always eat healthy food, and not only during the fast. Why don't you follow it throughout your life if possible? Why you want to go for junk food often?
Yeah, if healthy food can give you a good life, so why not every day?
Every
So why
day,
are you,
yeah.
right? So we are
Happens
not telling
normally-
about fast, but eating healthy food.
Healthy
actually.
food.
Yeah.
And what happens normally is people think of feasting after the fasting. So normally they think, okay, for these days, for 9 days or 10 days or 1 month, I'll be fasting and then I'll go for a feast. So we should not think of that.
Correct.
We have to always thinking of the fasting, not fasting as such, but eating a healthy food.
Correct.
Same way drinking. We don't go for any aerated drinks or any unhealthy drink during the fast, right? The same way we can continue that. We can drink lots of water. We can go for healthy fluids, some juices or any healthy fluid which will keep us hydrated and healthy. So this is about the eating and drinking. Now you want to share something else?
Yes, definitely. Because see, eating and drinking is something which everybody follow and most of them know about it. And I'm sure that everybody will eat at a healthy and drink healthy food on those number of days what you're following. So the next thing which comes about is thinking. So what do you think while you are you are in your fasting time actually? So are you thinking good or not thinking bad? Because that's why in the olden days, if you go where you have satsangs, you have kind of gatherings, actually we talk about God, they probably you have some mass where you more talk about what happened in the olden days, more of spirituality.
Read
Actually,
the
yeah,
spiritual books.
read spiritual books and things, thinking. So we want to think too, because we want to make sure we are cleansing our mind also to thinking right things and not getting into a negativity. That is one thing. So that is one kind of fasting. Fast your thinking as well. Don't think anything bad in your life. Next thing is about seeing, right? So you're seeing as well. So today's information world, and you have a lot of things what you have in your life where you're
In social
in
media,
social
and
media,
around
right?
us,
So
yeah.
around us, so many things comes up. Your Instagram, your FB, your thing, everywhere it is there, and there are a lot of 90% of them are negative things what you see, and 10% is only thing which is we want to see actually, right? So that is also one thing. Why don't you take fast from the seeing negative things as well? Go for something spiritual things or good things which you can make your mind soothing, right? So that is what we want to do. So thinking and see, giving fast to your thinking as well as giving fast to your seeing. Don't seeing negative thing, think only the positive things also will help you in the fasting time.
Correct.
Yeah.
On the same note, I just want to add 2 more points. One, and the next one is hearing. We normally think that whatever we hear, we can't stop that, right? It's around us. Right now, I am speaking. You can't stop me, right? But yes, you can stop. You must learn to say no also. So if anybody is during your fast time, if anybody is coming and telling you about any bad news or any negative news, like some robbery happened somewhere or some accidents happened or anything, so you can tell them that, see, please, this is my fasting time. I don't want to hear this negative things. I can't hear this. Please don't tell me now. So this also you can continue throughout, because hearing, as Sam was telling, thinking and seeing bad things is not good. Same way, keep on hearing the bad news or negative news. It's not going to help you anyways. Right? The same way, when you can stop bad news or negative hearing, why don't you stop negative telling or speaking also?
Correct. Yeah.
During fast, mostly we always take our God's name, right? Whichever religion we follow, we normally tell that God's name, and also same way you should not say any negative news to anybody. If you are hearing something, many times it happens that when we go somewhere or when we call anybody, they tell something. If, for example, if somebody is telling me that some accident happened somewhere or somebody is affected with COVID, it's not necessary that I come and say
keep
it
on
to Sam.
discussing.
Keep on discussing with the same person. Also, I should not come and tell to other person. If I tell to Sam, then if he tells to others, it's kind
spreading
of
negativity actually, right? So we are actually thinking about some person negatively very often,
and it is going to affect that person as well as us.
That's how the karma works, guys. Good. So the next thing is about reading as well. So again, information age, you get a lot of forwarded messages, and again 90% of them are negative messages, so you keep on reading those. And today's news world is like this. When you open a paper, the first thing, most of the things you get is more negative. The accident happened somewhere, somebody molested somebody attacked somebody, some robbery happened, and most of them want to read those things. So why don't you take fast from that reading also? Just get rid of negative reading from the newspapers or information where you get from WhatsApp or Instagram, Telegram, whichever the social media is there. So that is one thing. And then lastly is about living, because see, when you fast all these things, basically why in the olden days our ancestors made this fasting is to make sure you transform. If you're going in a wrong path, you transform yourself and come to the right path actually, because the fasting period, maybe it could be, in Hinduism also we have this 40 days, in Christianity also we have 30 days, in Muslim community we have this 30 days. So why do you follow this mandala time, what we call it as, right? So why do you follow this for like long time? Is that 30-40 days is more than enough for you to transform yourself through your food, your drinking, your thinking, your reading, your seeing, your belief, your telling and speaking and everything actually. So you can come out of this completely. So when you fast all these things, right, rather than only food and drink, when you fast all these things, what will happen is you're internally, mentally, emotionally, you're transforming yourself in becoming a different person. That was the main reason for getting this fasting into picture. But the problem today's world is most of them focus on only eating and drinking, so which is not enough. So the new way of fasting should be like this. So you give fast to all your thinking, your reading, your speaking, your telling, your hearing, your seeing, your drinking, your eating, everything. Give fast to everything and make sure
so that you can lead a better life,
right? So this is a living. So the living should be completely like this. So fast in a proper way, give fasting to all these the negative things and get into a new positive way of living this festive season coming in, and make your 2021
transform
more work.
Yourself.
So 2022 can be much better than this in the coming years. Thank you very much for watching our videos, and we'll be sharing some more nuggets with you in the coming weeks. So if you like it, please click on the subscribe button, subscribe, and also click on the bell button so that you can come to know that notification. You'll get it when we send our next video. So till then, thank you very much. Thank you very much for making us proud to share these videos to you. So we will come in next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Take care.